Panasonic's PIR, or Passive Infrared Motion Sensors, EKMB and EKMC series product line expands significantly to include analog output, new lenses, and new sensitivities for digital output, featuring a high-density and long-distance lens type option for concentrated area detection that can accurately detect movement at longer distances, a slight motion type with a wide detection area that can cover an entire room with one sensor and can pick up the smallest or slightest motions up to 2.5 meter distances, an analog output type which provides the highest level of control and flexibility, allowing the user to adjust sensitivity levels for custom applications, a digital output type with higher sensitivity that allows objects to be detected more easily at longer distances without needing a larger lens, and a digital output type with lower sensitivity can be used to shorten detection distance as well as reduce the change of false triggering. Some of the many features and benefits for Panasonic's PIR sensors, EKMB and EKMC series include a wide variety of lenses and sensitivity types, ease of interchanging sensors without board redesigns since all of Panasonic PIR sensors use the same footprint. Panasonic PIRs include amplifier and comparator circuitry inside a shielded TO5 metal can to protect against EMF noise, high signal-to-noise ratio which prevent false triggers, and more. To learn more about Panasonic sensors, please visit na.industrial.panasonic.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.